If the constable has got a direction from somebody, let the constable state it. Otherwise, the constable has to go home. This is not the way that we elected people have to be treated. Viresh Borkar is not come here to fight some matter of his own personal interest or personal benefit. He has come for the cause of the people, for the cause of Goa. And that's all what we are fighting. We are continuously fighting in the assembly. We are fighting in every forum. We are wanting justice. And I think that this time has come where people have to unite and stand to make sure that we don't lose our Goa. This is important because this is an attack on a legislator, which is an attack on democracy, an attack on Goa. Like how much can people go to the court? How much can people keep fighting? Dr. Cloud and Norma Alvarez, I know them so many years back from the 1990s. I know you all. And fighting causes single-handedly and standing up and fighting causes in the court. So I've seen them as a young lawyer and I've seen them over the years. But how much? There's a limit because they are also flooded with work. We are also flooded with work. Everything you can't keep running to the court. So there's a time where the government must also listen to the voice of the people and they need to be proactive and act because finally it's a government of the people, for the people and by the people. You can't be against the people. You can't be there out to destroy and destroy the state and its natural beauty. This is what we are fighting for. We don't ask anything else. We don't want any rewards in return. We just want that Goa should be safe. And what happened to Viresh should not happen to anybody. He is an elected MLA. The manner in which he was dragged down a staircase. I can understand you're dragged down any flat place, but when you're dragged down a staircase, it definitely will hurt you. It could have caused him a fracture. We don't know what could happen. Fortunately, he's strong and he could bear it. But that does not mean it gives you a right or a license to the police to do what they want. I will make sure that kind of police like this who misbehave will be put in their place. Remember this. The place for them is they will be sent home and they will be put into jail. I am there. When the police do wrong and if it's an unintended mistake, I will be there to defend them. But when they do some wrong like this, consciously violating the citizens' fundamental rights, then this cannot be allowed and cannot be tolerated. We stand with Viresh and we will stand with the people.
What about the 39A?
So there was no written order. They said it is an oral order. So how are you going to defend it?
There is an action where you see police dragging Viresh. Now what if I go to court saying this action was unlawful? Who needs a written order? I? It is the police. Now if those constables are put in the firing line to protect themselves, they'll have to tell who told them to do it. You understanding? If they acted on an oral order or a written order, let them say it. We will drag that person also into the court and we will get justice against that officer.
So, but such action is justified for an MLA?
Pardon?
Is such action by the police justified for an MLA?
See, first thing is, police must respect the rights of every citizen, whether he's rich or he's poor. But it looks like this government is only for the rich and the famous. If you have money, you can get anything here. When the Jan Vishwas bill was being passed, I said it. This is what is going on, that you can pay and you can get off. So even tomorrow somebody does something on the, let us say on the beach, you're having a festival. He will say, go to hell, I will pay the fine because at the end what I'm supposed to do, I'll only pay the fine. I'll continue with my festival for the whole day and I'll pay you the fine. Is this what we are living in? And everyone is talking Goa is for sale. Not us. People are not hearing us, but others are coming and saying Goa is for sale. After the tragedy of Birch by Romeo Lane, what has not come out? What has their favorite channel not said? That Goa is for sale. That is what is going on. And we are opposing this. Now the question, whether it should have been to an MLA, because it is done to an MLA, I'm come here also to stand for his cause. If tomorrow it can be done to him, it can be done to us also. And remember one thing, this is the style of the BJP. They will try to break your backbone to make sure that you fall in line. We need to get these people out because we want to bring good days back again to Goa.
The MLA has already petitioned the speaker, but no action is forthcoming as yet.
Pardon?
The MLA has already petitioned the speaker regarding this incident. He has called for action, but no action is forthcoming.
There is a session of the House. When the session comes, we will expect the motions to come. It's not an administrative thing which the speaker, honorable speaker, will do just because his petition, and that is a breach of privilege motion that has to be taken up on the floor of the House. So don't expect anything to happen from today to the 6th of March. Then he will grant leave for admission of that motion. There's a procedure. When the session commences.
The governor cannot act.
No, how can the governor act? What can the governor do?
All over Goa, the lands have been converted with 39A. People are protesting. Even today's protest, the center issue is the 39A. What do you have to say on that?
We have already asked, you have a regional plan. Because once you have a regional plan, you have it in black and white, and we know exactly what it is. But this piecemeal kind of zone conversions, and especially you look at it, I've objected, and mostly I've said it, on the hills, in the forest, and suddenly they go and say there's no forest. I've even complained about cases where the trees have been burnt, and then they go for a survey and say there's no forest. This is a strategy which is being done, and the forest department says we are helpless, because if it's not forest, we can do nothing about it. So you're understanding, this is sometimes a mechanism, a strategy. I want to tell you something in public, that I have also gone to the town planning office few days back to examine 2 files because of 39A conversions proposed in my constituency. And one of which I have found was bought by some outsider. I can't tell you from which state because I don't know, but it's an outsider, not a Goan. Clearly in his sale deed he says that order was passed of negative declaration of tenancy. So he has got a tenanted land freed. He has probably paid the tenant because the survey form shows on page 2, even crop is being shown. But the tenant's name is removed and his name is put, and he has applied for zone change. This is what exactly is upsetting us. You and I, आम्ही गोंयकार गेलो जाल्यार असले परमिशन मागपाक तुका मेळपाचे हे भायले घेतात आनी मागीर साळडी म्हणटात ते केन्ना नाशिल्ले तुमी कितको खबर आहा नाशिल्ले म्हूण आतां तुमी गेला तुमकां कितें खबर आहा 10 वर्स फाटीं कितें आशिल्ले. So this is what it is. This kind of zone change which is going on, I said, is for the rich and the famous and the bold and the beautiful. Nothing more.
कालूच बाब जर आतां जे जस्टीस पर्दिन गेलोन जे बील दिला विधानसभेत तुमकां मांडपा खातीर तुमी ओपोज करतले त्या बिलाचे.
Say we are in line for supporting the demands which support saving Goa. Remember this. We are not there for fighting simply for the sake of fighting. We want to save Goa. And all the MLAs, we are in principle, we have agreed that we will canvass those very demands. If you remember the last assembly, I spoke about it and read those 10 demands in the assembly on the floor of the house. I read it. I was the only one MLA who read all those 10 charter demands. I read it and I spoke about it and said we need this kind of things to be done. So definitely my support will always be there.
जेन्ना पत्रकारांनी TCP मिनिस्टर विश्वजीत राणेक विचारले ह्या बिला संदर्भात 39A विरोध जाता कोणे रस्त्यार रावन आमकां सांगपाची गरज ना निवडून ह्या विधानसभे आमी विधानसभे कायदो पास करता म्हणटा तेन्ना तुमची मत कितें?
सो तो कितें म्हणटा ते तुमी ताका विचारा. आमी न्ही तेगे स्टेटमेंटा आमी एक्सप्लेनेशन दिवपाक तेणे कितें म्हणलें तेगे एक्सप्लेनेशन घे ते कसले दुबाव आसले ते कोडे माग हांव कितें म्हणटा तूं म्हाका एक्सप्लेनेशन माग जाल्यार म्हाका माग हांव सांगतलो
तो म्हणटा
तेका कितें जाता तें म्हणली आमी कितें आहा तें आमी कोतले.
पूण आयज जे पुलिसांचे एक्शन जालें तेंचेर लिगली कितें घेवपाक जाता
कोतले आमी सोडचनात. हे उगडास दवर मनान पुलीस केन्ना रॉंग करता तेन्ना आमी पासून जागे आसतले जाग्यार घालपाक तांकां कित्याक तांकां कोडो जाय कायदो कितें. थँक्यू.